Cold weather, low energy, and sniffles, not today. Let's sip on immunity boosters that are as cozy as your favorite blanket. Cod Liver Oil Smoothies. Blend cod liver oil with bananas, Greek yogurt, and honey for a creamy immune-boosting drink. Rich in vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, it supports bone and immune health. Add a splash of almond milk for better consistency. This drink is perfect for starting your day with energy. Milk. Fortified milk is a simple and effective way to boost your vitamin D intake. Enjoy it warm during winter to soothe your throat and keep you cozy. Add a dash of cinnamon or vanilla for extra flavor. Pair it with meals to enhance calcium absorption. Turmeric latte golden milk. Combine warm milk, turmeric, black pepper, and a touch of honey for a nourishing drink. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties complement the vitamin D in milk. Enjoy this immunity-boosting latte before bedtime. It's a comforting winter remedy for colds and fatigue. Orange juice. Fresh orange juice fortified with vitamin D is a refreshing immunity booster. Packed with vitamin C and D, it strengthens your immune system. Drink it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism. Add a pinch of ginger for extra warmth in winters. Smoothies. Create a winter smoothie with fortified milk, spinach, avocado, and mango. These ingredients provide a rich source of vitamins D and C blend with a handful of nuts for added protein and healthy fats. This creamy drink keeps you energized and boosts immunity. Hot chocolate. Fortify your hot chocolate with vitamin D-enriched milk or powder for a delightful winter treat. Mix in dark chocolate for antioxidants and a touch of vanilla for flavor. Top with whipped cream or marshmallows for indulgence. It's a perfect way to stay warm and healthy. Egg yolk drink. Blend warm milk with a whisked egg yolk, a spoonful of sugar, and a pinch of nutmeg. Egg yolks are a natural source of vitamin D, essential for immunity. This drink is a traditional, nourishing remedy for winter chills. Enjoy it as a protein-packed evening drink. Coconut water and almond mix. Mix coconut water with almond powder and a splash of fortified milk for a refreshing drink. Coconut water hydrates, while almonds and milk provide vitamin D and calcium. Add a few drops of vanilla extract for flavor. Enjoy it as a light, immunity-boosting beverage. That's it for today, friends. Stay warm, stay healthy, and don't let winter get the best of you. Try out these 8 vitamin D drinks and give your immunity the boost it deserves. If you found this video helpful or just love cozy winter vibes, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tips, recipes, and fun content. Until next time, stay sunny and strong.